smashed the cube in the last video.
Yeah.
It's a 4x4 with 5 side solves. You know, normally it'd be just some PLO parity, but now we ain't got that. It's just some Maylong 4x4 that has 5 side solves.
Hey everybody, and we're at the venue, and for this competition we're going to be mating the Gan 251 and warm-up cube with the YJ UPO. So I should be doing 2x2 really soon, and hopefully I get a good average. I think sub 5 is a bit ambitious, so hopefully a sub 6. Ready. Ready. This kid just got a 186 on 2x2. Subscribe to Ortega Cuber.
Please, yeah.
Ready. Sub 5. Ready. That was good. Ready.
Alright, good luck.
It's a guaranteed PR anyways. It starts at
8 seconds.
So, 2x2 round 1 went pretty good. I got a one sub 5 and a +2 to a 6, but I do think I got a sub 6 average, and also I discovered this. It's a mosaic of the logo. Looks pretty good, and yeah. So this is a really busy competitor. This is a really busy competition. Like, wow.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. Peter.
Okay.
18 seconds?
Yeah, we'll give it extra. You got it. Thank you.
Nice. Yeah, that's a good average for me. Alright. 3x3 round 1 was insane. I got a PR average in 4 sub 20s. So that is an 18.6 something average. I'll put it on the screen. And yeah, I made it to round 2 comfortably because it's 50 advance, and I think I got like top 30 or something. Ready. Finally, a good solve. Pyraminx 1 round was horrible. The timers had issues. I +2'd a bunch. I got 15s. It was terrible for me. So at least I got 1 sub 10. I don't think I'll be making round 2. Ready? Okay, that's PR single. Ready?
8 seconds.
Skewb was pretty good. I got a PR average and a PR single. I could have gotten a sub 10, however I fumbled the last move, which really sucked. Let me know when you're ready. Ready? Oh, wait.
It's good.
That was... that.
8.
You Raiden.
Oh, you beat me. Ready? Ready? Yay, no DNF average. Clock went amazing. I got an overall PB of 13 seconds and a PR average. Ready?
Seconds.
Alright, that's good. Ready?
8 seconds.
Okay, I'm ready. Ready?
McCade.
Ready? Yes! Let's go. Ready? Alright guys, 3x3 round 2, my last event of the day I think. I got a sub 20 average and my second best WCA solve of 15.9, which is pretty good. And yeah, I might make round 2, probably not because a lot of people are sub 10, but we'll see what happens.
Guys, make it go fast.
Put the 5x5 on. Alright, hey, is everyone ready?
Alright, yeah, I'm going.
Alright.
Alright, Elliot. Okay. Guys, everybody get video.
I just did the math. I changed.
Next up is Skewb Podium. In third place, with an average of 4.25 seconds, Oliver Michael Citrus-Shell. And in second place, with an average of 4.23 seconds, Isaiah Linnea. And in first place, winning Skewb, Braden Roden with an average of 2.90 seconds. And with a state record single of 1, Qiyi Vida. In second place, with an average of Jack Bellamy. And in first place, winning 2x2 with an average of 2.32 seconds, Braden Roden. With an average of 9.23 seconds, Jack Bellamy.
Get your picture.
In second place, with an average of 8.88 seconds, Braden Roden. And in first place, with an average of 8.58 seconds, and the winner of Cubing in the Springs 2022, Oliver Michael Citrus-Shell.
You run cubing and Ortega Qiyi. Wait, I mean, you don't have to.
Subscribe to them. If you don't have to, but you should. They're good. They're good keepers. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this competition vlog. If you liked this video, please make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And I think this is my best competition. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'm out.